Hey guys, it's grand opening day today. Soft opening day today. Check this out.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I'm coming in. I hope everybody's all right to be on a YouTube video, right?
Yeah.
Check it out. Say hi to YouTube, everybody.
Hi.
We are here. This is the breakout day, soft opening here at Poppy's. Got a lot of fans here, a lot of people coming in.
Here it's nice and people nice. Poppy's good. Food is good. Come on.
All right, that's some good advertising right there, guys. That's some good stuff. Hey, there's Joe and May. Got the game on. Check him out. How's the food, everybody? So far?
Yeah.
So far, everything okay? No. So I'm trying to make sure everybody doesn't just tell me fibs. I want to make sure we're getting the truth out of everyone. If it's bad, you got to tell me it's bad. If it's good, it's got to be told. You can't fix it if we don't know about it, right? You can't fix a problem unless we don't have one. You just got served, so I'm going to leave you alone. You haven't tried it yet. How was everything, everyone?
Everything's good.
So the next video, you can come on and you can see. Now the tables have turned, right? Now I get a food review done on myself, right? Instead of me doing the reviews, you can do the review on me. Right? That's a turn of events.
Yes, that's a good deal.
There we go. So everybody happy with the food? All right. Excellent, excellent. What do you guys have to say? You're waiting on food though.
Yeah.
How's the coffee, okay?
I got the hungry man.
Oh, no way. You better be hungry.
I'm starving.
Is the coffee good? Yes. Because I'm experimenting with the coffee a little bit on the levels.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get it right. All right, good to know. All right, guys, so we had a great first soft opening. The girls are here, getting ready for tomorrow. Say hi to everyone. They are getting all the silverware organized, cleaning up. It was an adventure today, guys. I thank all of you that came out and supported us on our soft opening this morning. It was actually a big turnout, right, Drake?
Yeah, it was a great turnout. We had a few hiccups, but
I got stopped mid-video. I was getting ready to interview everyone, and the power went out in the kitchen, and it was chaos in dining room. And I mean, no, it was just getting wild. So you know what happens on a soft opening is what happens. You find out things that you need to do better, and you improve, and the next day is a different story. But it just kept compiling one thing after the other. If it could have went wrong, it did. Our refrigerator went down, the freezer went down, the lights, some kind of a circuit breaker problem. We were cooking in the dark. Oh my goodness, the dining room was full. Yeah, we had a ton of people, a lot more than we kind of counted on actually. And I do appreciate that, guys, for coming out.
Greatly appreciate that.
And those of you that did eat here and you're watching this video and you got some food out late, and you dealt with it, thank you so much. Hope you understand this is how it goes in a soft opening.
And I gotta apologize to my subscribers because they said, Mercy, I want to take picture with you and with Papi. Where is he? So I just disappeared to give a hand to the kitchen staff.
Yeah.
But I apologize. Come back and we can have all the picture you want.
Yeah, it was one of those things, you know. Duty called, we had to be there putting out little fires, making sure things were better than they... I wish it would have went perfectly, but I kind of anticipated
but you know
there would be some hiccups, you know?
It was a test day for us and nobody gave up. So
nobody gave up. We didn't lose any people in the midst of things. We very well easily could have lost the whole kitchen staff today. That's how much pressure was on.
Yes.
All right. So anyway, let me give a little peek to the kitchen staff. Yeah, these guys are prepping the kitchen for tomorrow morning. We got a plan set up for a little better service tomorrow. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hi guys. Hello.
Yeah, mabuhay. Anyway, we have some issues to work out as far as refrigeration going down. We had circuits, everything running here on this panel at once. Microwave, waffle iron, coffee pot, grinder. All this stuff was running, and I think that's what tripped our breaker. We had to put a larger breaker in. It couldn't handle it. But we got to figure it out. We got to go out and get a new chiller. This thing's been a headache for a few days, and it's just not cold enough. So we're going out right now, get the proper equipment that we need. We even blew up a toaster today. The toaster exploded. I'm like, what happened to the new toaster we got? Well, it just exploded. It might have been something to do with the breaker deal. I don't know, but
Thanks, China.
yeah, thanks a lot, China, for that toaster. I think it was actually made in USA toaster. I spent extra money for it.
Thanks, Biden.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot, Biden.
Yeah, anyway, we are going out to get some more stuff. You guys come back and see us. Tomorrow will be, well, what do you say? You know, what is it?
Well, sometimes the best just won't do.
That's it. Sometimes the best just won't do.
Has anybody seen my golf club?
Where is your golf club at?
Hey, it's right here.
Oh, wait a minute. We got to get your golf club back. Too many people are missing you without your golf club. I know it. Oh, we'll take out the balloons. There it is.
I just want to say,
You got to have your whipping cane.
for those of you who are annoyed of my
Tapping.
of the golf club, I do apologize. I just like to, when we were setting the place up, I always took it with me, like, hey guys, can you get this, can you get that?
Pointing it out. It's your pointing stick.
Because a lot of things are tall, and the other reason is I have some health issues in my feet, so I do use it as a cane a little bit.
Multi-purpose
It's
tool.
multi-purpose, so
But it's fun to hear it tapping while we're describing it. There, give them a little sample. Little sample.
thank you, Hazel, for getting the balloons for our soft opening.
Yeah.
We even have one outside.
Yeah, nice touch.
Nice little touch.
Good job, Hazel, getting the balloons going there. All right, here's the ladies at the front desk.
Oh, look at these uniforms.
Yeah, we've had some reservations already. What do you got? No,
My 30-day guy.
you got a 30-day? Oh, I don't
His
want.
name is our subscriber.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Shout out to Rob Hutchings.
Thank
Now, I don't know if you go by Rob, your proper name on YouTube or not, maybe just gave away something, but shout out to Rob. Thank you, Rob, for coming,
Thank you.
booking a 30-day stay here with us
Yes.
at the Drake. You guys, the website is live. We've had some phone issues recently. We're gonna fix those.
Yeah.
I think we may have lost a potential guest because of that, and we are working out some bugs. It's not only a soft opening for the restaurant. The hotel is open, but we are still in progress. So we're working out some issues with the phones. We can book through the website. Booking is active on there. DrakeHotelAngeles.com. Go there if you want to book a stay with us. We appreciate it. All right, ladies, it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you on the next video. Say it.
See you on the next video. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. That's a good touch.
Like and subscribe to the corner.
Right, right. See ya.